Hi, my name is Chuan Khang Wei with metric number 185138. So I'm going to present to you my Compost machine individual design ideas. So before I start, I have done some research on current existing products or what are the problems that have with the compost process. So normally compost we need additive such as microorganisms to speed up the compost process. Secondly, some of the existing products it require a lot of space, okay, such as your backyard. So it is expensive and it will take a lot of time, okay, around 2 to 3 weeks to get your compost, and some of them require draining for the byproducts, and some during the process we need to add water from time to time, and it produce odors, okay, and since some of them have complex components, it is not easy to clean. So this is my first design. So this design is actually based on a reference from a shredder. So it's actually a manually powered compost machine. So it taking a closer look, it has a shredder inside. So these are the moving blades, and these moving blades will actually works with a few fixed blade. So by turning the handle, you will actually cut the pieces, your food waste into pieces. So by increasing the surface area, you would actually speed up the process for your compost. So the manual handle is actually very easy to operate, and it is very fun for your kids. Okay, so next, this is the tray. So the tray, it has a bigger capacity that actually can accommodate 1.6 kilogram of food waste per households, the average households food waste that we produce. And it actually also come with a sieve that filter the liquid byproduct. So after you filter the byproduct, you can actually collect the liquid using the gradient, okay, by opening the tap. Okay, so this design is actually a affordable design with lower maintenance, as it has no motor, is actually manually powered. So, and it is actually portable and easy to store. You can actually keep it in your kitchen, and it's very easy to clean. You can actually wash the parts, the tray, and it also comes with charcoal and desiccant pack that actually will absorb the moisture in the air and remove the smelly odors. So it also comes with a lid with small holes that actually prevent housefly and maggots, and the holes will also promote ventilation to avoid smelly odors. So moving on, this is my second design. So this is actually a design that combination of ideas from a rice cooker and a fruit blender. So it's actually with an agitator and a heating element. So by putting in the food waste inside the machine, they were actually starting to break down the materials by the agitator, and the heating element will actually heat up the materials until 180 Fahrenheit, around 82 degrees Celsius, and after that it will decompose and sterilize and cool down. So at the end you will get your compost. Okay, so this design is actually a portable design where it's actually a smaller size and enough sufficient to accommodate the average food waste that we produce per household. And the duration to get your final product, your compost, is very short because it comes with the heating and agitating. The heating will actually dry up the water content in the materials, and the agitating will actually grind and break down the material into a smaller pieces. So the machine also comes with a ventilation where the venting will remove the vapor from the heating and reduce the moisture and the smelly odors. So besides that, so it actually, with the agitator, the inner part is actually a removable bucket where you can actually take out the bucket and wash, easy to clean.